If you want strong abs, whether it be for the beach or for gymnastics and calisthenics or whatever sport you want to do, then this is a must-do intro into ab training. This is what most gymnastics strength coaches are teaching at the beginning level, and we use it in our UMS to develop seriously strong cores.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
The bent knee hollow body hold is a brilliant way to introduce ab training in the isometric contraction. So what that means is that we're holding the same angle with the core and the abs are just isometrically contracting, which is one of the main functions of the abs. So it's a really important exercise to do. Also, by bending the knees and bringing the hands by the side, we're increasing the mechanical advantage from leverage by reducing the leverage. So it makes it a lot easier. It's a really good beginner introduction into ab training. One of the biggest problems with a lot of ab exercises that I'm seeing coaches out there show on YouTube is that they're really advanced. And as a beginner, most people are just completely incapable of doing them properly. It's really important that you start your ab training at this grassroots level and then build up from there. And that's how we do it in the UMS. Every phase we introduce a slightly harder variation, and this is our phase 1, absolute beginner variation. Make sure you stick around to the end so you learn the 3 coaching cues that are going to make sure that you're doing this safely and effectively, and you'll build really nice ab strength the right way.
Bent knee hollow body hold. We use this in phase 1 of the UMS as it is an excellent way to strengthen the abs whilst developing postural awareness. A common mistake people make when performing ab exercises is that they try a progression that is too challenging for them and miss the point of the movement. The bent knee hollow body hold is an excellent way to feel how to engage your abs and build strength the right way. To set up, lay on your back with your knees bent to 90 degrees. Lift your head off the ground by bringing your chin to your chest. Ensure your lower back is pushed firmly into the ground and abs are engaged. Lift the hands and feet 2 inches off the ground without disturbing the body's position. The cues to think of when training are: keep lower back pushed firmly into the ground. Keep your abs engaged. Relax your neck and shoulders. Remember that if your lower back is off the ground at all, then your muscles have failed and you need to stop. Be very honest with yourself about how long you can hold this movement for, and only hold it with good quality. If all you can do is 10 seconds, that's fine, but try to gradually increase the hold time with quality until eventually you can hold for 60 seconds.
Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel and make sure you click the notification bell so you know when our weekly videos are uploaded. Now, the best thing for you to do if you want to stay connected with us and get free online coaching is to join our private Facebook group. It's called the UMS Movement Mastermind, and we go live daily where we answer our members' questions. It's very interactive because you can post questions while we're live and we interact with you on the show. You can also upload videos or pictures of yourself with any movements, any stretches, strength training movements, calisthenics, weightlifting, anything that you're struggling with, and we'll critique you, give you feedback, let you know how you can get better. It's a really valuable resource. It allows a lot of communication with us and also our senior tribe members. You'll get answers very, very quickly, and it's absolutely free. So jump on Facebook, search for UMS Movement Mastermind and join now. Until next time, have a great day.